Greetings, students. Hope you all are fine at home. Yesterday, we finished our chapter that grandfather makes a plan to talk to his grandson about water conservation. He arises a question in front of Nino that if we will find out that in our lakes there will be no water in next 3 months, what will happen with the people of Mumbai? Nino replied, "Nothing. We will get bottled water to drink." Grandfather replies, "But all citizens cannot afford it. We need water for everything." Nino asked, "Why should we worry now? We will get a solution of this problem at that time." His grandfather asked him that water scarcity is such a complicated problem, we have to be ready in advance. Nino asked, "So you mean we should dig a well in our city?" Grandfather said, "Yes, many NGOs have started to dig well for the collection of rainwater that flows away to the sea." Nino was shocked and asked his grandfather, "Do you know, DJ, we live in a big city with big towers. How can we live? How can we dig well here?" His grandfather said, "Yes, you are correct at your point, but we can create space for the collection of rainwater." So both were agree at this point. One day Nino comes from school. When he was untying his shoelaces, he asked his grandfather, "Do you know, grandfather, today I am so happy." His grandfather wanted to know what is the reason behind it. He said, "Today my essay got a gold star and my class teacher asked me to recite that essay in front of the students." So his grandfather wanted to know which essay he has written. Nino replied, "About water I have written." His grandfather wanted to know what he has written in that essay because he also wanted to discuss with him about water conservation. He told some points. By those points, we can conserve water. First, if anybody fails to close the tap, we should close the tap. We take water bottles to school. Instead of throwing the remaining water, we should put it in a plant or a tree. We should use buckets instead of showers. He also asked his grandfather that you should always use bucket instead of showers. His grandfather laughs. "I am a water warrior. How can I waste water? I always use buckets instead of showers." But he asked his grandfather, "You shave every morning, but you forget to close the tap. So you keep a beard." From that day, his grandfather was keeping a beard and Nino was using bucket instead of shower. So students, in this chapter we learned that we should conserve water for our future.